Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is a very important update about Comedk 2022 document upload, right? So which are the important documents which you need to upload and how you need to upload. Let me first start with the guidelines for photograph of the candidate as well as the signature of the candidate. So for the photograph, the guidance is that photograph must be recent one, not more than 3 months old, and it should be color photograph with light background, and the photograph must show your full face view, right, looking directly into the camera. And you should having avoid having hair on the head and then any cloth, right? So a forehead, eyes, nose, chin should be clearly visible. That is the photograph full face view. And photograph should be uploaded in the vertical position, only into the box which is given there. Photograph should be in the .jpeg format only, and the scanned image size should be 160 kb, right, or less than 160 kb. And before submitting form, please preview page and just check whether the uploaded image is clear or not and as per the guideline. So that is how you have to put your photo. Now talking about the signature. For uploading the signature, candidate must do the signature himself on the white paper, right? White paper, and use only two type of inks, either black ink or blue pen ink. This also should be taken in the vertical position, and its maximum size is same, less than 1860 kb, same format .jpeg. And before submitting, again you should preview and then upload the clear image. Now see the next set of documents. So you have the requirement for unique ID of the candidate. That unique ID of the candidate can be Aadhaar card or any other thing. So it should have also the date of birth mentioned as a proof in the DDMM or triple Y4 format, right? You can check that. And again same format, 160 kb, less than size, and .jpeg format, vertical position. And again you need to have a clear image. Similarly, SSLC 10 class mark sheet is the next document, same format, right, which I mentioned, size, file size, and other things you should check. And for SSLC mark sheet, if it is having more than one page, then you have to combine the pages into one single document and then upload. For example, your mark sheet is one or two pages, then combine both the two pages in one single sheet and then only put it. So same guideline is for the parent signature, right? For uploading the parent signature, they should sign on the white paper with black or the blue pen only. And again same 160 kb is the maximum size, JPEG format, and before submitting it, check that it is clearly visible. Now let's see the other documents. Unique ID of the parent. It is similar to your parent's unique ID, can be his Aadhaar card, voter ID card, etc., and all the details. It is the same guideline, 160 kb, less than size, and JPEG format, and the image should be vertical position. Now the other one, 371J certificate, right? This is basically for the Hyderabad Karnataka region student. So you should understand that there is no reservation for HKR students, right? Since this is all India exam, there is no reservation. But why you have to upload this, and who has to upload this, is the students who have got less than 45% in their class 12th. If you are not meeting the necessary eligibility criteria, then you can upload this and show that you are from HKR category, and there will be 5% relaxation of marks, and even with 40% you will be eligible. So only for those students who have got less than 45%, they only need to upload this certificate, right? And certificate again should be in the name of the candidate. It should not be in the name of the parent. So HKR certificate should be in the name of student only. Next one is the SC, ST, OBC certificate. Again, this is not required for any other student apart from outside Karnataka, right? It's only applicable to Karnataka. And again, there is no SC, ST, OBC, seats reservation. It's only because that you have not met the necessary criteria, and if you are within this category, you will get some benefits in the qualifying exam marks, right? Guideline is same. It certificate should be in the name of the student and it should be issued by the tehsildar. So you cannot show the certificate in the name of parents, right? And size is same, 160 KB. Image format is also same, .jpeg format. And now this is the last one, which is the domicile certificate. Again, it is only applicable for Karnataka candidates only, and there is no reservation for any Karnataka student. Comedk is a national exam and there is no reservation for anyone. This only is required by students who are not able to meet the eligibility norms of 45% marks in class 12. Those students can give their domicile certificate, and then lower eligibility norms like 35 or 40% would be good enough, right? So that way, same, we should have a file of less than 160 kb JPEG format. So that's all in the terms of documentation required. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates around the Comedk authority.